what's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got some cases to check out for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now some of these cases you may be able to find for the Galaxy Note 10 as well. We are going to be leaving links in the description so you guys can go have a closer look at these awesome cases. Cool? With that being said, let's go ahead and let's check these cases out. Case number one is by a company named Touber. Nice 360-degree protection. This one here comes with a warranty, actually 12-month warranty. Not a bad deal at all. It's a clear case, not too flimsy because of the hard glass, which I like. It's a lot better. But here's the cutout. Seems like everything might line up. You got your S Pen, you got your speaker. You also have your charging port, your mic. You also have your mic and, of course, your speaker up at the top. We're going to check that out. On the back, I'm liking this. That really brings it out, gives it a premium look and feel. Got the cutout for your flash. And you also got your volume rocker and your power button. We're going to be testing that out too. But I'm liking this look. Now, surprisingly, this has a premium feel to it. It's nice and smooth. Doesn't feel plastic. It don't really feel like plastic, but it feels nice. Not a bad deal at all. But let's slide this in. Get a feel for it. Feels good in the hand. Now, I like a slim case. I don't like nothing too thick, too bulky. This is right up my alley. But seems like everything lines up. Not a bad deal. We got to check out the volume button and the power button as well. No problem. No problem. It works. So this is nice. I like this. Shows off the aura glow. So what do you think, people? I think this is nice. For the price of $9.99, not a bad deal. And it comes with a 12-month warranty. This one is a definite buy. All right, let's check out case number two. Now, case number two, right? I couldn't decide on which color I wanted, so I got two different colors, right? Now, this one is by Sucknip, if I pronounced that right. And this case looked real nice online, so I thought I would check it out. Now, this one has a plastic look, but it's flimsy. You know, it's a hard shell cover. Very hard, right? Especially the corners. So if it hits the corners, you are going to be protected. Got the cutout for your camera and, of course, your flash. Your cutout for your ports, your speaker, and your mic. Not bad at all. Now, what we did not check, right, which we'll check in a second. I'll tell you what that is. Everything seems to line up. Let's check out the power button, the volume. Very easy, very tactile. Not bad at all. What we didn't check out, though, will it work with the wireless charging? And yes, this one does. Let's go back. Let's check out the other one and see if that one works. Okay, works with wireless charging, so that's not going to be a problem at all. Very good. Now, this case, I like this design. The design is nice. And that's why I got it. What do you think? Now, this also comes in other colors. It's going to come in a brown and a gray. And right now, we're going to check out the black. That way you can see which one you want. This is the black. So this is for every day. This is for going out. This one looks nice. Let's put it in so you can get a good look at it. Everything lines up. Same as the army green one. All right, check the volume button. Yeah, not bad. So I like the black. I like the black a lot better than the green, in my opinion, but I really wanted to see that green. That green really stood out online. Now, this one is going for $8.98. And surprisingly, with this one, you get a 3-year, I want to say warranty, but they say they give you your money back if you are not satisfied. For that and the price, you might as well check this one out. It's not bad at all. I like the hard look. Now, Does it have any raise? Yes, has a little bit. So if you put it down, it's not hitting the glass at all. Unlike the first one, not bad. Now, I like the rugged feel in the hand. It does have a rugged feel, kind of rough. Feels like plastic for the most part, but nice. You got your protection here. All right. Now, we can't leave without taking care of the ladies. Ladies, don't worry about it. We've been taking care of you lately. We're going to take care of you right now. Now, about this one for my wife. This is the one she picked out. This is the one she wanted. And yeah, not bad, right? Look at that. So this twist, right? And it's a magnet. So if you got the little magnet holder in your car, you can put this on there and it'll stick, right? So it has a diamond ring, right? You got your rhinestones. You have your diamonds here, flowers, butterfly. I do like the design. For a girly case, this one looks nice. Now, this one is going to cost you $9.89. Not a bad deal at all. So let's check it out. Let's put it in, see if everything line up, and see if this one works with wireless charging as well. This one may not because of the ring. Okay. Now, everything seems to line up. This has a rose gold type of look to it in person. So everything lines up. Let's check out the volume button and the power button, of course. There we go. So the power button works. So what do you think, ladies? I think this is not a bad deal. Give you a better look at this. So I don't know how you're going to feel about the rhinestones, but ladies, you're different. There you go. And you can also use this as a kickstand. So I am going to be getting some more cases because I need one with a kickstand, just like this one, without the ring. Well, the diamond ring, right? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. But hold on, we did say we would try. Nope. Let's see if we can halfway. Nope. So this one won't support wireless charging. Of course, you got the ring on here. Still, not a bad deal for the price. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.